friends, thank you for coming back to step number 2 with Elaine Marie. Well, let's get started. Now remember, we're going to have the same paint that we had before. White, dark green, and a violet. Now I'm going to use a small flat brush, but you can also use a pointer. Now watch. We're going to take the dark violet, and let's see, let's start right about here maybe. You can start anywhere as you want. And just dab and go downwards, go a little fatter and a little skinnier coming up. Right, now that's very dark. Now what we're going to do, we're going to mix the violet with the white. Now watch. It changes it. Blending is giving us some texture. Then you're going to wipe that, and then you're going to just dab it with plain white. There you go. I'll bring that right up to a point. Oh, I just love it. And then sometimes I come back in with a little dark violet and just give it a little dab. So we got a couple layers here. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful that looks, friends. Now we can try it, okay, with a pointer. Start down here. There you go. So whatever brush that you want to use is fine. Now we're going to mix again, violet with the white. You give it another different shade. You're just going to tap that right like that. Then you're going to come in with some straight white. So whatever brush you want to use, fine. Sometimes I do like the pointer. I think it shows a little bit more of the white coming through. And this one here I did with the flat brush. So with my pointer, let's do one right here, dark, right? You're going to go a little wider. Okay, again, mix your violet with some white. Violet with some white. See how that changes that? You're going to dab basically where you just did. And pull that down like this. Give that a little shape. I like it. I like to make it come to a point. Give that a quick dab. Come in with some white. There you go. There you go. You can make as many flowers as you like. You're painting. Oh, that's really, whoop. Accident. Well, we can fix that. We'll just make that a little bigger. There you go. There you go. That's what's great about painting. If you ever get a whoop moment, don't worry about it. There you go. That's how I look at it. You know, right? Don't sweat the small stuff. There you go. Yeah, I like it better, I think, with the pointed brush. Now, I want you to take your pointer, if that's what you're using, and I want you to come in with a little green and some white. I'm going to roll that like that, okay? Now watch, and you can make as many flowers as you want, but I want you just to take that and just run that straight down. Okay, just run that straight down like that. Run this one straight down like that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I just love it, love it, love it. And then if you want, you can come in with some plain white. Right, and just make a little white on top of what you just did on the stem. Friends, you can make your flowers as large as you want. Okay, you can make as many lavender flowers, as many as you want. You want them big, you want them smaller. Don't worry about it, it's all what you prefer to do. And again, we're working off of the dark. Come in with a mixture of the white with the dark. You can see how that's changing the color right there. Wipe that off. Come in with a little white. There you go. Oh, I just love that. And again, sometimes I will just come in with a little more dark on top of that. And every flower that you do will look different. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me just give that a little point, run that down through there. Oh, friends, I'm just having a wonderful, wonderful time. And let me just mix that with a little green and just come in like this. Okay, there you go. And if you want, you can make that a little darker. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? And I'm sure yours is really beautiful too. Make your lavender as big as you want or as small as you want. If you want more darkness, go right ahead. If you want more white, go right ahead, friends. It's your picture. Do as you may. Have a wonderful time. It was a very, very easy painting. Look how beautiful that is. Friends, thank you for tuning in. And please tune in to my next video. Have a wonderful day, friends. Have a good one, okay? Stay safe. Bye-bye.